A tunnel drill, also known as a tunnel boring machine, TBM, is a massive piece of equipment used to excavate tunnels for various purposes, such as transportation, subways, highways, water management, sewer systems, mining, and utility installation. Here's how a typical tunnel drill works. Design and assembly. Tunnel drills are custom-built for specific projects and can vary in size and design depending on the tunnel's diameter, length, and geological conditions. They typically consist of a large cylindrical body with a rotating cutter head at the front and a trailing support system at the back. Cutter head. The cutter head is the business end of the tunnel drill. It consists of a rotating assembly equipped with cutting tools, such as disc cutters, drag bits, or roller cutters, depending on the ground conditions. The cutter head is designed to penetrate and break apart the rock or soil in front of the drill. Thrust system. Behind the cutter head is a thrust system that pushes the tunnel drill forward as it excavates. This system typically consists of hydraulic jacks or cylinders that exert force against the tunnel walls or previously installed tunnel segments. Spoil removal. As the cutter head excavates the tunnel, the loosened material, known as spoil, is transported back through the tunnel drill and removed from the tunnel. Depending on the design, the spoil may be carried away by a conveyor belt, transported by a screw conveyor, or pumped out as slurry. Monitoring and control. Tunnel drills are equipped with various sensors and monitoring systems to track parameters such as thrust force, torque, cutter wear, ground pressure, and alignment. This data is continuously monitored by operators who can adjust the drilling parameters as needed to optimize performance and ensure safety. Overall, tunnel drills are highly sophisticated machines designed to excavate tunnels quickly and efficiently while minimizing disruption to the surrounding environment. They play a crucial role in infrastructure development and construction projects worldwide.